This is the energy density of electric and magnetic fields interactive calculator, which computes energy density values for electromagnetic fields and their related parameters. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have the calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: electric field energy density, magnetic field energy density, total EM wave energy density, electric field from energy density, magnetic field from energy density, and capacitor total energy. For this demonstration, I'll select electric field energy density. Next, we enter the electric field in volts per meter. The magnetic field is in Tesla. Energy density is in joules per cubic meter. We also have relative permittivity with the default of 1, relative permeability also defaulting to 1, and volume in cubic meters. After clicking Calculate, the results appear in the Output section. The calculator will display the computed energy density based on your electric field input, showing how much electromagnetic energy is stored per unit volume. For electromagnetic waves, you'll see additional outputs like the Poynting vector and intensity values, which indicate the directional energy flux and power per unit area, respectively. Find the link in the description below.